Nice one, Pastor.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Alright. Oh, no! Time don't reach for me to make my selection now. You're not sipping now. So, alert. Go that way. Let's go. Yeah. Join us. Yes, you do. Case. Leave that thing. Come join this people.
Moto. No man, Bato.
Join us. You! Go sit down for that place first. Man, they see where. You! Join them.
To all this time.
These are my final cast, my final people who go follow me go sides tomorrow.
You lie!
You say?
You lie! You don't talk well.
See this boy!
Come on,
I will kill you for here! You don't know challenge. See this boy enter your boots here.
I say you lie. All of us don't go. Nobody will go. If you don't go, nobody will go.
Nobody will go. I said a final!
Don't say it. That's not the
final!
Come here. I said come here. I don't want to hear anyone here again. Stop that.
That's final! Tomorrow we go to our team. Nobody will stop us.
Man of God, you came to see me.
Yes. May the peace of the Lord rest upon you. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. So how are you doing?
Oh, man of God, I'm alive. Thank God. There's something I want to ask of you, a favor.
What is it?
It's about my mother and my sister. I want you and the church to take care of them for me. They are all that I've got.
I understand.
You don't understand, man of God. Whatever it is you want to give me, whatever it is you owe me, whatever it is you think you and Jesus owes me, you give to them. I will die for them to live.
So he has been like this since?
Dikeh, you sent for me.
I don't know what is happening to me. I am dying.
No, you won't die. You won't die. Not when I'm alive. Eh? Maybe. What happened?
He suddenly collapsed.
He suddenly collapsed when he was coming into the compound.
Just like that? This isn't ordinary. I can't do it here. Someone is behind this. Mbano, my brother won't die. I won't allow him to die. For what? Makageneze. Omoyo Jowo.
Mama, what are we going to do?
Call the pastor.
Pastor. Pastor. It's a pastor. No. I know what to do. Let me go now and call the chief priest. Anya Fuluzo. I think you know what to do.
Nabia.
Papa, what's wrong with you now? Are you going to die and leave us?
I will not die.
Papa, please be well soon. Please, I beg you.
I will not die.
On your chair. Not worry. I'm sure he will get better.
Thank you, Anya Fuluzo. I always count on you.
I'm leaving. Go and get him some food to eat. I'm leaving.
Thank you.
Anya Fuluzo, here is your money.
Thank you.
Thank you, Onochie. I don't have anything against you. The threat I made to you before our kinsmen over the land dispute between us was an empty one. I cannot hurt you, my brother.
I will always be there for you. We are one. Anyway, I will come back and see you and know how you are feeling. Anya Fuluzo have confirmed that you will be better. I always count on him because I know what he can do. Sorry,
Where are my children?
They are here now.
Papa, we have been praying for you and soon you'll get better.
Thank you, my daughter. I can hear a song from afar. I want to sing and worship God.
Papa, what are you talking about? You want to go to church? Okay, don't worry. On Sunday, I will take you to church where we sing and worship the God.
You won't understand, my son. Take care of your mother.
Papa, what are you talking about?
Take care of your sister. You are my strength.
No.
Papa,
Why are you saying all these things?
I love you all.
yes, we know you love us, but make us to understand, please.
How can we sing the Lord's song in our strange land? How can we sing the Lord's song in our strange land?
Papa,
What's wrong?
Papa,
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 what's wrong? Go and call your uncle Onochie.
Papa,
What's wrong with Papa?
Papa,
Di mama. Papa, Di mama.
Papa,
Where are you going
Papa.
to?
Papa.
See your children.
Papa,
Nai, where are you going
what's
to?
wrong with you?
See your children. Nai, Di mama. No.
Egekwe! Egekwe!
Papa,
Egekwe!
Papa, Papa,
Papa, you and your children has killed my brother. Hey, I told my brother. I told my brother.
Papa!
I want to want my bell. You are considered killing my brother.
Papa! Papa!
Yes. You have killed him. What are you saying? What are you saying, people again? Hey, you have killed him. You have succeeded in killing him. What are you saying? Hey! Dikana.
This is unfair. You are here. Good morning.
Good morning, Mabel. As you can see, I am busy and I don't need any disturbance.
What are you doing in our land?
Shut your mouth, you this little brat. What do you know?
Is that an answer to a question?
Listen, women. Women don't dabble into land matters in our customs and tradition.
Which land?
Watch your tongue.
Which land are you talking about? The one left for me and my son? Or another one?
Tell me what you are doing in my father's land. Oh yes, I will cut you now. Yes.
Come closer.
My son! What happened to my son? What did you do to him? Eh?
When a child wants to know what kills his father, what kills his father will also consume him. And more here. Inabia, you will kill him.
What happened to my son? What did you do to him? Wicked man!
Your son has been inflicted with a deadly poison, which would have killed him if you have not come here.
Help me. Please help me. I just lost my husband. I don't want to lose my son.
It will cost you a huge amount of money.
I will do anything to save the life of my son.
Good. If you say so, it will cost you the sum of 300,000 naira.
Huh? 300,000 naira. 300,000 naira. Where on earth can I get that kind of money?
Mama, I know we don't have that money, but please help me. Help me to survive this ailment, and I'll forever and I'll never forget you.
I know you will not die. I will do everything, anything to get that money. You will not die. This is the money.
Let me see. Hope it's complete. There's no need to continue.
Yes, you can.
Okay. I will go and get the items and materials to start the job.
Thank you.
Where did you get the money?
My son, I sold all my valuables. My clothes, my jewelries, my bags. Everything I have. My son, I can't watch you die. You'll be fine. You are all I have. You'll be fine. I told you I would do everything to save your life. I've given him the money. Very soon you'll be okay.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, my son. You'll be fine soon.
You will be well.
Take care of them, and I will always be grateful.
It's well, even in the well. I will do as you said. The Lord will pull me through.
Amen.
But how do I reach them?
Man of God, your time with him is over, so you can go now.
You are blessed.
Amen.
Bless the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Where is the money?
No money.
I hate repeating myself. Where is the money?
There's no money.
Hey, come on. Shh. Where is the money? Look, come on, for you. Look,
You don't get sense, Abby. You don't get sense.
No, money.
Lieutenant Dikeh, what is going on? Are you going to wait for this criminal to kill all our men before you take action or apprehend them?
To be frank with you, sir, I wasn't part of the team that went for the operation.
You've not answered my question. You promised to hunt them down.
I ain't got no picker, I ain't got no you can't stop us. You can't stop us. I used to nothing more. I know you don't like us. But you can't stop us, cause the city is ours. I ain't got no picker, I ain't got no in Subu. I ain't got no picker, I ain't got even I got no butter, I got no butter.
Thank you for the connection anyway. Thank you.
Anything for the gang and for AZPP. I'm gamed. No dull moment.
Okay.
Blow the hot. The dream have been na real life for this. Oh boy. Not too much, not too much.
Yeah.
Not too much.
More dream, more money.
That's so now. I'm gamed. Just call me anytime, any day. I go deliver.
Yeah, no,
you never know me. I told deliver.
You do like money.
Hey.
And one more thing. Now church we dey go. We are preachers.
Behave yourself.
And they go church too.
Don't fall your hand.
I beg.
Anytime, any day.
Now preachers we be. Now church we dey go.
May you behave yourself.
May you behave yourself. Oh, now church we dey go.
Don't hammer.
This deal makes sense.
This one makes sense. I didn't tell you.
But wait, for check for here. We are not the life.
Guys, listen. I speak from experience. You all know what happened the other time. Just have to be at alert. Yes. Those guys are dangerous, but we're gonna bring them down, okay?
Of course we will do that.
See what you do now. When we go out, try and track that lady.
Officers, there's a problem.
Problem? What is it, sir?
An information just got to me now that some hoodlums attacked a bus on the expressway. And we'll have to report them now. So get the van ready and let's move immediately.
Yes, sir!
Let's move it.
Jesus.
these people after me.
Honorable, don't worry, okay? Just relax.
I am worried. What wrong have I done to these people?
See, you haven't done anything wrong, okay? Just relax. Huh? I won't let anything hurt you. I'm with you, okay?
I don't everywhere. Oh. Their father.
Where the color? Where the color? Ezekwi. Guys, what happened? What happened?
The operation was not successful.
Why?
There was a problem.
God damn it. What
Only
problem?
the boss that can talk about it.
Problem. Guys, what kind of problem?
You can't stop us. You can't stop us. I know you don't like us. But you can't stop us. Cause the city is ours.
Promise to wait till the man forever and visit him. And so, hope you are not planning or thinking to go and visit him.
Okay, Mr. Contemplating.
Don't even go there. Don't go there. You don't stop! Stop there.
Adaku, why did you stop me? Eh? Do you want to mock me again?
See, you're not even ashamed to talk. After everything, you still have the guts to talk.
Yes. Ijoma, you should be ashamed of yourself. That the almighty Ijoma that we know have not paid her school fees.
I foresee you dropping out of school.
I reject it. God forbid.
God forbid. You reject it. No problem. So tell me, who will now pay your school fees?
That's calm. If it were where your armed robber brother were to be around, you would have been the first to pay.
Not just being the first to pay. He will pay for her and for others.
For that Christmas.
Evil don't last.
No peace for the wicked. Amandioshi.
Woo! You're my shame!
Shame unto you! Armed robber people, family. Doshi.
And then she comes to get like this.
See Anna.
They keep her.
You would I know me. The city is ours.
Ada Beke, your dada will take me to Obodo Oyibo.
So you are still thinking about that? That school fees?
Don't let that bother you. I told you, you will never drop out from school.
So, Mama, how do I get money to pay for my school?
Is that why you're crying? We'll see what happens tomorrow. Yes. I promise you that. Stop crying. Come, let's go inside. I like seeing you like this. I love you.
Driver, where are you taking us to? I don't know this route.
Driver, please drop me.
Driver, drop me.
Make I drop you the Chris.
See, both of them are respecting ourselves. Now hear me, so. Come on, shut up
You
your mouth.
you look man like me finish. I resemble taxi driver.
Appointment and lap down.
Mad.
Now hear me, so.
If I hear one more word from
What?
you, now
Sister,
shut up.
I resemble taxi driver. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Carry your face down.
Face grab.
Put your face down.
I
said put your face on ground.
I resemble driver when come from Las Vegas.
Come out.
Please help me.
What is it?
Help me. My sister.
Speak.
My sister, she's in trouble.
Your sister is in trouble?
Yes.
What is it?
This is the information she recorded with her phone and sent to me.
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Officers, we must leave now. It's an emergency. Let's go.
Rescue my sister for me. Please. Rescue my sister. She's not like her.
Yeah.
Your goose don't land. I hope you like them.
They are very nice. Very good.
My money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Omo na mean to.
See money. Problem.
I see the hot.
Give her the money.
Babe, you gallant now.
See money. Ha.
No time.
Don't move.
Oh boy, get
to the
it
move. Don't move. Step aside. Officer.
Sir.
Keep your eyes on her.
Don't move.
Ebube, you an armed robber. Ebube, why did you join armed robbery? This wasn't the training our parents gave us.
Where were you when armed robbers murdered our father? Where were you when I was sent to jail for a crime I did not commit? If you were in my shoes, I will forgive you because you are my blood. But I'm warning you for the very last time. Stay off my case. They know they carry police work for head.
But I warned you. I warned you. Otogaka Chinchin Moon on a showcase. You know very well. If we don't pay. Ikem, you shot your blood.
Tell us why you guys wanted to use those girls for rituals.
I do not know what you're talking about.
You better tell us the truth or you will rot in jail while those boys get away with money and enjoy it by themselves.
I don't care.
You don't care. You don't care. You don't know what I'm talking about. You better tell me the truth, I will hurt you now.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
We can't fold our arms and watch Ezekwe in their custody. Never! The owl can never be in bondage.
We have to do everything humanly possible to assist him.
Maybe we should get a good lawyer to grant him bail.
I have other plans.
You can't stop us.
My son, we did not see anyone as you promised. Things are very difficult. That will barely eat.
No, but that is not possible. Why it is not possible? I gave my friend promise to come see you. I gave him our house address. It's not possible, Baba.
My son, we did not see anyone. The worst is that your sister Ijoma dropped out from school.
Mama. No! Hey!
Everyone in the village now mocked us. They now mocked us in the village. We can't even go out. They call us names. I can't even walk alone in the market without women singing for me.
It's okay,
My son,
Madam, your time is off. Move.
It's okay.
Move. Quick.
This person is not picking his call. What do I do now?
Officer Vincent. Are you ready to talk to me now?
What else do you want to hear? I'm just a bad guy. And you're a cop.
Where are the rest of your gang members? I'm sure you don't want to suffer here alone. why they enjoy outside.
You came here for now, you should be ashamed of yourself. Yes. You had the guts to shoot me after I spared your life. You shot your own blood. What message are you trying to pass? Even if you want to become the Inspector General of Police, that's not enough reason to shoot your own blood brother. I swear, you will regret this.
And I regret having you, an armed robber, as a brother. Now listen to me. If you don't tell me the truth, you will go back to jail. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Do I look afraid?
Where is my money? Fast.
Wait, not sitting down. Come out here. Come here.
Come here!
I will be fine. Lie down here and start pulling for the soul of my family. Hold
Where's the key? The key is in the I said, where is the key?
Wait! Come on, lock it!
Fast! I said, open that thing.
Okay. Come on, be fast!
Under the bed! Under the bed! Face the wall! Face the wall!
I said no.
Sir, I was just coming from your office, sir, but you weren't on set.
Oh yes, I was in the hospital. Is there anything the problem?
No, sir.
Hello? Yes? What? Okay. I'm coming there right away.
What, sir?
The hospital has been attacked. Gather your men. We're going there right now.
Yes, sir.
You guys are very well. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's a little bit to the smart. But we told that no level.
We cannot allow you go back to that prison. No way.
Sankoro did be my baby.
Joy! Oh, but it's too much.
You know I'm sure. Maybe I launch my presence.
Oh, more.
Light color! Light color! Light color! What do you like this? Ezekwe is
Are you sure your boyfriend is still coming?
Let me try. But it's not going through. Well, if you are through with our drink, we do not see him here, then we leave.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The information reaches our newsroom now that Ebobe, the notorious criminal caught by the police, has escaped. Anyone with useful information about his whereabouts should report to the nearby police station or call the number displayed on the screen. A handsome reward awaits any potential citizen. I'm Adama Peters of Magic TV.
Don't tell me they allowed that criminal to escape.
And who will agree to give them information about him?
I don't know. You know what? Let's go. I'm done with my drink. Hold on.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What is it?
Well, you see, as a matter of fact, you get my friend we know well. I don't know whether I have to use your phone, make I call him. You know, Vex, I'll use small minutes.
You want to use it?
You don't go past 60 seconds. Thank you, sir.
Just hurry up.
I will, sir.
Hey, don't go far.
Okay, sir. Hello. Yeah, Ebube is busy in my call. Don't tell me he has been avoiding my calls.
Hey, it's time to go. Let's move.
Hey! Finally, we are going. Oh my home! Oh my home! Oh my home! Oh my home!
Stay in the mood of prayers.
Anyanja Fosa, who is disturbing the peace? Tell us.
It's a family call. Don't worry.
Why don't you open up to us? We may propose solution for you.
Yes.
It's nothing serious. I can handle it.
Boss, I am loyal.
Let's go.
God, I thank you. Hey, you're not looking better. Eh?
Mama, you look younger. What's the secret?
My son, it's God though. It's God.
That's nice.
Hey, but you're looking fine.
Thank you. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, I'm okay.
Come, I bought something for you people. Yes. Now we there here now.
Hey! Mama, come and see! Brother, you bought this for us. Hey, Mama! Hey! Hold this for us. Mama, God will bless you, my son. Oh. Hey, God will bless you. Hey!
Mama, now we there here.
Brother, Chimo. Tomato. Hey! Mama. Hey! Brother, thank you. Hey!
Thank you for everything. I'm really grateful.
It's okay. So I'll be expecting to hear from you.
Don't worry. You're going to hear from me soon, okay? Alright, take care of yourself.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
So, Mama, that was what happened. Oh, it's all good. I'm happy that I'm now a free man.
And I thank God for that. So, my son, how are you coping now? I mean, what do you do for a living now?
Well, Mama, the street is military, but now we day here. Yeah, I do almost everything. Whatever that brings money, I invest. I buy and sell tires, I buy and sell fridges, anything that will bring money, I invest. So basically, I'm a hustler. Yes.
God will bless you.
Amen.
Baby, don't worry. We'll be praying for you. You won't encounter such ugly situation again.
Amen. Excuse me. Hello, love it. Alright, I'm coming. Mama, I have to leave now. Obi, I'm narrow.
So soon?
This also. That's Mama.
Thank you.
Hey, Bube! You are under arrest. Anything you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law.
So you want to arrest your blood brother in your father's compound just because you're a policeman?
Whatever.
Ikem, they know they carry police work for wise.
I carry my police work for them because of people like you, a criminal.
Brother Ikem, why do you want to arrest Brother Bube? What has he done?
Ikem, what is the meaning of this? Eh?
Mama, the Bube here is a criminal. He has killed so many souls.
My own son. It's not true.
Officer, arrest him.
Hey! Hey, Bube! Bube!
Ebube, I'm coming for you.